Why?
Alright guys, take out your assignments for today.
I only have one more piece of paper.
Alright, now collect those assignments from yesterday. What? Alright, we have another note guide today. Today's topic is box and whisker plots. Have you ever heard of them? Have you guys ever heard of box and whisker plots?
Yes.
Yes, some of you have, some of you haven't. Box and whisker plots. Hey guys, raise your hand if you have ever worked with box and whisker plots. Raise your hand if you've ever made them.
I probably have.
Box and whisker plots.
Yeah, I've done this.
Okay. So a box and whisker plot, we're looking at a note guide now. A box and whisker plot shows the variability of data along a number line. So it shows the variability of a set of data. That variability refers to how much data points differ from each other.
So, what?
Number one, the box and whisker plot. This is the first number one. Shows the variability of data along the number line.
So number one, box and whisker.
Yeah, box and whisker plot.
Box and whisker?
Box and whiskers at the top of the page. Box and whisker. That's our topic for today. So, and then they're saying variability refers to how much data points differ from each other. label the definitions of this box and whisker plot. Right here in the middle is the median of the data that would be given. So we write median. How do we find the median again?
You line them up and then go boom, boom, boom.
Find the middle number from least to greatest. Find the middle number from least to greatest.
5.
This one right here, edge of the box, is called the lower quartile. Lower
I think I've heard of this before.
quartile. Or first quartile. That is found finding the median from this set, from the left of the median. So you're going to have the middle number, and then you're going to find the median on this side, and the median on this side. The median on this side is this one right here. That one's called the upper quartile. Or
Bless you.
third quartile. Because the median is also called the second quartile. Depending on what book you're reading, it might call it different vocabulary. And this point right here would be your least value. One of your whiskers. One here, your least value. And this is your greatest value of the set of data that you have. When you're making a box and whisker plot, just like any other graph, it's important to have a title. It's also important to have a number line that represents your data. You can have your number line above the whisker plot or below. It doesn't matter. But we need to state what this number would be. So if we say it's 2, we need to write it above it. This one maybe 4, so we need to write that one above. Or if you're writing it below, write it below the whisker, box and whisker plot. This one would be 6, 8, and 9. We need to represent those by writing them. Those because we have 6.1 or 6.5. We don't know. So we go on. Number 3 on our notes. To make a box and whisker plot, you need to identify the quartiles. Here's the second quartile, or the median is the first one you're going to identify. And you're going to go over here and identify this median, which is the lower quartile. Then on this side, you're going to identify the median, which is the upper quartile. So number 4 is quartiles. Number 3 is quartile. 3 is quartile. Number 4, how many parts is the data broken up into? What does quartile mean? How many? 4. 4. So there's one part right here, one part right here, one part right here. So 4 parts. Quartiles divide data into 4 parts. Noah.
What's number 2?
Number 2 was differ.
Nice. I need help.
Just wait. I'll come after you after it. Are you needing the definitions or what?
Nope, I got mistaken.
Well, we'll get to those. We'll get to those examples. We're doing the front page first. So number 4 is 4. So the second quartile, which is this median right here, the median is the median of the data. The second quartile means the median. So that would be number 5. The second quartile is the median of all the data. The second quartile. And that's what you would find first. The middle term of the data. And you would to go to this side and find the first quartile, and that is the median of the lower half. So just the median of the lower half of the data when it's organized from least to greatest. Number 6 would be the first quartile, is the median of the lower half of the data.
And then third.
And then the third. We're going to figure out the third quartile is finding the median of the upper half of the data. So, to make a box and whisker plot, you need to find the lower, the middle, and upper quartiles. This is also, I guess, called the middle quartile since it's in the middle.
Quartiles. What the hell?
Middle quartile. So find the lower and middle and upper quartiles of the data set. So whatever data they give you. Step 2, there's a typo, it says it's supposed to be on instead of 1. On a number line, mark the greatest and the least value. Should be your whiskers right here.
Greater and the least?
Yep, greatest and the least. Step number 3, mark the quartiles with a line. We're going to mark them with a line right here. They're going to form. Then you draw a box from the from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. Around here. Yep, number 4 box. Draw a box from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. Then we're going to mark the median value with a vertical segment, which is going to be inside the box somewhere. It could be possibly on this line, depending on your data, or it could be on this line, but it's going to be somewhere between them. And you're going to draw whiskers to your least and greatest values. Draw whiskers from the box to the least and greatest values. Mark the median value with a vertical segment.
Step 6 is to get to whisker.
Alright, we're going to look at the box. It says make a box and whisker plot of the data below. What's our data? On the very bottom of the first page. 1, 2,
4, 5, 7, 9, 10.
5, 7, 10. How are you going to find the median?
I got 9.
I got 9.
Dash.
Okay, how are we going to find the median?
You go boom, boom, boom,
We're going to find the middle terms. We're going to mark them from the edges. What's our median? 5. We're going to mark this median. So now what? We're going to find the median of this set of data. And we do not include this median on this data. So we're going to include just these 3. So what's our median there? 2. So that's our lower quartile. Label it LQ for lower quartile. And the upper quartile is going to be determined by just these 3 sets, not including that median.
9.
And it's 9.
You just put first, second, third.
Yeah, you can do that too. And what is our least value?
G or a U?
It's a U.
Why?
Upper quartile. Upper quartile. So what is our least value?
5.
1. So at least. Our greatest is 10. So we now have all of our data to make our box and whisker plot.
So we need like the title or something?
Yes, does it give you something to title it with? No, it doesn't, so then we wouldn't use, but if it did, you would include a title. What numbers are we going to go by that represent our data?
1. You did it right there.
He's a dot that
Okay. So what are we going to draw first? Our median? Let's draw our median. Where's our median at?
5.
5. We're going to draw a line there. And it's 5. So we're going to say that it's 5. Where's our lower quartile? 2. And down here, draw a line and say that it's 2. And our upper quartile is 9. We're going to say that it's 9. I'm going to draw a box because we know this is the box and whisker plot. It contains the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. And now we need to draw our whiskers. Where's our least value? 1. So we'll put a dot there and draw a whisker. Where's our greatest value? 10. Here's our box and whisker plot. We forgot to label 1 and 10. Our box and whisker.
I get this.
Alright. Turn our page over. You guys, just another way of organizing data. You might see them in not as easy, you know, different ones, different formulas.
This is where I need help.
Okay. So number 1, I want you to try by yourself. First of all, you're going to find the median. It's already in order from least to greatest. So it's already in order, so that's one step left you have to do. So then find the median of the lower half, and then find the median of the second half. And you should know your least and greatest value. Make sure you do the number line too. Yeah. Yes. Right here, right? Okay. Now you draw your number line. So we're going to do like 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going to go by a certain amount. We're going to go by a certain amount. We'll go over it. Oh, you're going to go by whatever your guess. So you need to go 4 to 21. Okay, let's go over this. There's so many questions. Okay, let's go over this one.
So I would have done 1.
Okay. What's our data? 4, 6,
6, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20, 21. Dad.
there's 3 20s. So.
No, there's only 1.
There's 3.
Yeah, there's 3, never mind.
Doesn't work.
is our lower quartile.
Six.
Finding the median of this
Six.
data. This six. Our lower quartile. What's the median of this set of data?
The middle 20.
Middle 20, which is the upper quartile. What is our least value? What is our least value? 4. What is our greatest? 21. So a lot of you are asking, what numbers do you have to put on the number line? We're going from 4 to 21, so we have to go by, what would you say? Go by twos. By ones is fine too.
How would you do it by one? Just 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you'd have to go from 1 to 20.
I went from 4 to. I started at 4 and then up.
Whatever you do, you have to do consistently. Okay, so where's our median at? 15. So we're going to draw it somewhere between 14 and 16. Right about there. We're going to say it's 15. What is our lower quartile? 6. We're going to say it's 6. What is our upper? 20. We're going to say it's 20. We're going to connect this for a box. What are our whiskers? What's our least? 4. We're going to say it's 4.
And 21.
And 21. I'm going to say it's 21.
Why wouldn't you go to 2?
What do you mean 2? Down here?
Yeah.
Because our data says that our least value is 4. Our least value is 4. We just use the number line to plot our point. 21. And if it were to have something, we would have a title on it. Alright. The second example. What happens if we have 2 medians, 2 middle terms?
You got add them and divide by 2.
Add them and divide by 2.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought it was.
Add them and divide by 2.
Or if it's 15 instead of 9, say.
Okay, so let's see this data. 100, 110,
110, 120, 130,
120, 130,
140, 140, 150, 150, 160, 180, 200.
2150s, 2.
160, 180, 200.
Okay.
Then
Alright.
you end up with 2.
So 2 140s for the middle term, right?
Yep.
So what would be our middle term? Add them up and divide by 2. Or what's halfway between 140 and 140? It's going to be 140. So we're going to write that because it's in between the middle. And this would be our median. When we find our lower quartile, we include this 140. We have to include this 140 because we didn't use it. We found the middle term between these two. So our data for the lower quartile is those. So what 2 are we going to use for that median?
110 and 120.
110 and 120. So when we find that the middle of them is going to be 115. Add them up and divide by 2. 115. Our lower quartile. What's going to be our 2 midterms for our upper quartile? Which is
150 and 160.
this data, including this 140 right here.
155.
So it's between 150 and 160, which is 155. is our upper quartile. What is our least value? 100. Our least. What's our greatest? 200. So now, we have to make our number line that goes from at least 100 to 200. What would you suggest by going by?
1 to 10, 1 to 15.
Tens might say. Fives might get to be a lot. Tens might be a good decision. We can start at 100. You guys can go by tens. I'm going to go by 20s just because I don't have enough room on my paper. Okay. So what is our median? What did we find our median to be?
Between like,
What does it say?
140.
140. Our median is 140. I'm going to say that up here. What is our lower quartile?
100.
Lower quartile.
Oh, 115.
115. So it's a little bit less than 120, so we're going to say we're about right there. What's our upper quartile?
155.
155. So probably about right there. 155.
Wow.
Now we're going to connect our box. And what are our whiskers? What's our least?
100.
100. And what's our greatest?
200 and 100.
200. Can we find our range from that data?
Yeah.
I mean, what's the range? What? 100. 200 minus 100. What if I said find IQR? Might want to write this down. The inner quartile range. What are our quartiles? What are our quartiles?
150, 140, 145.
Okay. So we're going to find our range of our quartiles. What's the range of the quartiles?
200.
So we're going to have 155 minus 115. Our upper quartile minus our lower quartile. And it would be 40. 40
Are we
times
gonna
IQR.
have to do that?
I didn't get mine to ask.